What's up, Two Chicks fam? It's me, Carl, and I am back with a non-phone part-time job. But before I jump in, make sure you smash the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, thumbs up this video, share this video, post this video on your social media platforms, stick it in some Facebook groups. Just make sure you leave us a comment down below. Once we hit 60,000 subscribers, somebody is going to win laptop number 8. So make sure you guys share, leave us a comment. Don't forget to go back and check out all the awesome videos that I posted earlier today. Make sure you share those as well. CarMax is hiring, guys. They pay $18 an hour and they will provide you guys with the equipment. So make sure you check out CarMax. Go over there to the other blog, twochickswithasideHustle.com. Under Spotlight Jobs, look for Omni. Click on Omni and apply for Omni Interactions, especially if you are new to working from home and you want to jump in and get your feet wet. Omni is a great company to start with. They are state specific, so make sure you check to be sure that they hire in your state. Don't forget, guys, to look down below in the comments and sign up for branded surveys. Easy peasy survey site. Let's get right into the video. The company is Cognosante and they're looking for quality analysts. Now with this position, guys, it says the role of the quality analyst is to perform quality assurance audits on phone calls, emails, and chats. The analyst will review and grade customer contact events for technical accuracy, compliance to policies and procedures, and observable soft skills. Now, this is a part-time position, and they do have the hours listed here. They're wanting for people to commit to at least 20 hours per week. I don't see any state restrictions on here. However, we do ask that you please do your own research. And now that we're at the end of this job, guys, the link to this job will be posted right below the video in the description box so you guys can apply. Make sure you share, leave us a comment, hop over to Facebook, join the group, kiss that cubicle goodbye. And don't forget to follow us on our other social media platforms: TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Two Chicks with a Side Hustle. My name is Carl, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, YouTube.